Okay, so today we're gonna make some fall sweater pumpkins. Okay, so we picked this sweater at Goodwill, and this is a big one. So I can get probably 3 pumpkins out of this one sleeve. And I'm gonna go ahead and just go up to the armpit and cut this off. This one's a really soft, stretchy material, so it's gonna make a big fat pumpkin, which is good. Okay, so now that we have our piece of fabric cut, or sweater cut, we're gonna go ahead and flip it inside out. And we're going to bunch it up at the end. And then we're gonna take one of these clear rubber bands, hair ties, any kind of rubber band, little one. And we're just going to wrap it around the end here a couple times. I'm gonna wrap mine 3, and wrap it 2 if you want. All right, so we got a little bundle. Now we're gonna flip it back. And this is gonna be the bottom of our pumpkin right here. We're gonna stuff this guy up. Just keep stuffing your pumpkin till he's as fat as you want him. Like so. So now we're gonna take another rubber band, and we're gonna put it around the base to hold him together. We'll just do 2. Okay, so now we've got our pumpkin, and this part sticking out is gonna be our stem, okay? So we wanna just kind of shape him, generally pretty round. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take some, this is just white yarn. You can take whatever color you want, cut it off. And I have some big fat needles, so I'm gonna leave a little bit out, and we're gonna go ahead and tie a knot at the end over here. And go ahead and tie 2. Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and start down here. I'm gonna take this and I'm gonna tuck it under so my little thing doesn't show, okay? So I'm gonna stab him through. And then I'm gonna get all the way up to the top. So I wanna come out very close to my rubber band as I can. And you kinda gotta feel around how you can get it. So it's nice with these, they're not, these aren't sharp, so you're not gonna get yourself. And a kid could do it too. Okay. So now we're gonna go back and we're gonna pull a little bit tight, and we're gonna do it again. So just keep doing that over and over until you get as many humps or bumps as you want. 5 looks good, 6 would be great. It's all up to you. Okay, so now we've got our guy, and position your strings wherever you want them. So we got our little fatty. Isn't he cute? I think he's cute. Okay, so now I'm just gonna go around my stem, so I have some extra yarn here. I'm gonna go around a couple times, and then holding him tight, I'm gonna go back through one of my other strings. All right, and then we'll snip that off right close up to the top. Okay, so now we have our little pumpkin. Now we need to work on his stem. So I'm gonna go ahead and use this, which is just hemp, jute, any of those things, okay? That's what I'm using. You can use whatever you want. You can have a green stem, a white stem, do whatever you want. So I'm gonna go ahead and tie it off. I'm gonna leave a little tail, okay? Because the tails look cute. Once you have your material wrapped around there, you just want to keep going all the way up, up, up and around until you get to the length that you want. Then go ahead and tie it off. With that, the little shorty, I'm going to trim this up a little bit, trim this up. So it's just a little bit long. There we have it, little sweater pumpkins, great for staging, super cute for your Thanksgiving table, lots of fun stuff that you can do with these. All right, thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.